Hello and welcome to another video. My channel now has 100 subscribers, so here's a thank you to each and every one of you for being a subscriber. Today I'm going to celebrate by going back to Minidiscs a little bit. We've been doing some work on compact cassettes, or audio cassettes as they're more commonly known, and today I've been thinking about doing some unwrapping on these. I've got quite a few of these picked up over the years. And it's going back to the sort of the roots of the channel again, to unwrap these and have a look at them. So we have two identical packs of MD Colour 80s. Since this one's labelled is peeling off, I'm going to open this one up. And I have seen a couple of videos where people managed to get these things open, these or cassettes open, without destroying the outer packaging. And I don't know whether it's going to make any difference in the future, but eventually these things won't be available anymore new, and you won't be able to see the outer packaging or the inner packaging. Eventually they'll all be used, I guess, unless people are keeping them for archival purposes. But I can't seem to get this undone, so if anybody knows a way of doing this, let me know. I wonder if I could do it like this. Because you've got to be careful when you're unpacking it that you're not destroying the inner packaging as well. I guess we can reach in there and get one of them out now. There we go, that's not too bad, I suppose. It's not particularly interesting though, is it? Okay, so let's have a look at each one in turn. That's the pink or the red. We got focus a bit better. And let's have a look at the back. So there we've got the 5 product codes. Okay, so we had the pink. Looking at the black. Made in Luxembourg. The yellow or orange. The green, quite like that one. And the blue. Lovely. Right, let's start with this one then. Get this one open. I wonder if I could do the same again. Mind you, looking at it, I think that's all it is on there is that label, sorry, that logo there, and this part here looks like the only part of the packaging that is different. The design looks as if it's printed on the case, so I wonder if I can get this open without destroying the outer packaging. Yeah, it's very difficult to do, so let's minimise the damage, but we're going to have to slice all this along with being careful not to scratch the case because they're very soft, the cases. Yeah, I think that's a lost cause. Keeping the original unwrapped ones anyway, so... Okay, I've given up on that idea. Oh, look at that, that's nice. Let's have a look at the disc. It's actually quite hard for the camera to focus on it. Tiny little arrow there. Nice design, really nice design. Oh, that's a bit better, isn't it? Have a look at the back. Plain white. The TDK logo there. Or was that the Sony logo? I thought that might be the Sony logo. Nope, must be TDK. So we'll look at the edge. I'm going to use that to help focus. So there's a top edge. What does that say? Well, that's a number. Looks like M, it's difficult to see. It's my daughter laughing in the room next door. Of course, we're all at home at the moment. I'll have a look at the edges when I've got them all unwrapped. Anyway, conscious of the fact this video is getting a bit long already, so let's have a look at this. Now, these were slide. Was there anything special about these cases? Do they slide open? Yeah, they just open up, just like that. Nice inlay card. Camera's having trouble focusing today. Yeah, very nice. I like that. Nice and simple, you know, quite minimalist. Really nice design on that one. So let's get on, and I'm not going to be too bothered about opening these ones carefully now. There's an opening tab there. Even that's not easy to do. No information card on these ones, which is weird. So the information is actually on the inlay card, which my guess is, there's some instructions there. So my guess is you to turn that, oh, that's good. Turn that round, so the information's on the back there, and then you've got your index card on there. Let's see what I've got there. Let's have a look at the case, not that you can see a lot. There's lots in there. It's held in quite easy, it's quite well. So let's have a look at the case, not that you can see very much. Okay, let's move on. Very nice disc actually. Same on the back. So basically it's not a very good place to open it. I suppose it gets you into the packet. Does help a little bit. Yeah, quite like that. Not sure whether I would have liked it the same design on each disc, just in different colours. That might have been better. I might have preferred that. Okay, let's move on to the black or the grey. Very hard to get into these ones. Apologies for that. And finally, the red or pink. Yeah, very nice. Nice discs. Certainly a bit more premium than some of the bog standard, some of the colour Maxells. Although I do like the colour Maxells, especially ones with a black back on them. So I've got a project lined up for these ones. I might need more than 5 discs for it. Not something I'll be videoing, or not something I'll be doing a YouTube video on. But there we have it. So there's our TDK MD80 colours unwrapped. Once again, thank you very much for subscribing and staying subscribed. Leave some comments, tell me what you want from future videos, tell me anything I can improve on as well, please. Thanks very much, stay safe, stay healthy.